Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your fence in your garden to game of Roblox. Okay, before you change your fence in your garden, you can go to the props shop to obtain a fence from the fence crate right here. These are the fences that you can obtain from this crate. And after you obtain a fence, you can go back to your garden and then you're going to click on this edit menu. Okay, and here you'll be able to select the fence that you want to apply to your garden. Okay, just click on this edit menu guys, and you'll be able to change your fence in your garden. Okay guys, and that's how you can change your fence in your garden to game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.